Welcome to our channel Cyber Learn Safely. Welcome Basic Cybersecurity Series, Day 2. In this video, I will discuss about OSI model in briefly. So let's start. First is physical layer. This is the lowest layer in the OSI model. It is responsible for an actual physical connection between the device. The physical layer contains information in from the bytes. Physical layer is responsible for transmitting individual bytes from one node to the next node. Next is data link layer. This layer is responsible for the node-to-node delivery of the messages. The main function of this layer is to make sure data transfer is error-free from one node to another node. Next is network layer. The network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in different networks. It also takes care of packet routing. Next is transport layer. The transport layer provides services to the application layer and takes services from the network layer. The data in the transport layer is referred to as segments. It is responsible for the end-to-end delivery of the complete message. Next is session layer. Session layer in OSI model is responsible for the establishment of connections, management of connections, transmissions of session between two devices. Next is presentation layer. The presentation layer is also called the transmission layer. The data from the application layer is extracted here and manipulated as per the required format to transmit over the network. And last is application layer. At the very top of the OSI model, the application layer, those application layer which is implemented by the network applications, those applications produce the data to be transformed over the network. I hope all of you understand working of OSI model. Next video I will discuss about basic cybersecurity principles. Thanks for watching this video.